Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to try and create a cut crease on my Asian hooded eyes, and to be honest I don't think I did a bad job either. What do you guys think? I can't lie, the palette I'm using today is fake. I'm not ashamed to admit it, to be honest. It's not what you have, it's how you use it, right? I always start off by priming my eyes so that it can last a little bit longer and prevent my eyeshadow from creasing. So first off, with my eyeshadow brush, I dip it into tune and wipe it all over my eyelids. And as you can see, and there's me just patting it, wiping it, whatever I'm doing all over my eyelids. Then with a flat eyeshadow brush, I dip it into rusted and apply it on top of the folds of my eyelids, so just above it. I wanted to make it a little bit darker, so I then went in with the colour You're Kidding and applied it on top of rusted to make it that little bit darker because I wasn't really feeling the light colour. Then with my blending brush, I quickly go in and blend all my eyeshadow out. I don't want any harsh lines, and especially because I'm using a fake palette, I need to blend that a little bit harder. So whilst blending, I thought, let me just add a little bit more of You're Kidding to the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Then I get a call from my MOT people saying that my car won't be available today and it will be available tomorrow. So there's me just talking on the phone. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, just blend it, blend it, blend it. So with this tiny little brush, I applied You're Kidding just underneath my waterline. Then we blend again because we don't want any harsh lines. So with my little brush and concealer, I'm just carefully trying to cut out my cut crease. And then when I reach the end, I literally just flick it up. Then you repeat it to your other eye and just try and cut it out carefully. I know it's hard and I know mine's not even, but it's okay. Then with my flat eyeshadow brush, I go in with Boutique, and just where I've cut my crease, I like to apply a little bit just to give it that dimension above my cut crease.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same.
Then if you make any mistakes, you can always just go in with concealer again, and it should just hide it.
Every time I drink like a
Then using B, I'm literally just patting on the yellow from the inner to the middle part of my eyelids. Then with another eyeshadow brush, I go in with 518 and apply that to the outer corners of my eyes.
See, my eyes got money bags, I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend. I need my.
Then I apply some yellow to my inner corners and underneath my waterline because it was looking a little bit empty.
I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right, feeling nice.
So I was feeling that I was missing something, so I decided to add the colour Face, which is a glitter on top of the yellow. Then with my metallic liquid liner, I'm just going to carefully line my cut crease. You can tell that I'm not professional because I have to do it bit by bit, and even so, the line still didn't come out perfect, but you know, it's alright.
Like a
Then I go in with my little brush and fix any mistakes that I've made whilst applying my liner. Then with my all-time favourite eyeliner, I created a small wing.
You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why you don't really need her.
So for my eyelashes today, I'm using the Isla London Fluttery Light in the number 177, and they're meant to be light and wispy.
Every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a lime, like a lime.
Then once I applied my lashes, I tightline my eyes with black eyeliner. Then I like to go in with my favourite mascara and blend my eyelashes with my fake eyelashes. Then I also apply it to my bottom lashes too.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
I know not everyone does this, but I like to go in with a curler and curl my eyelashes and my fake eyelashes together, and I feel like it lasts that little bit longer because they're like crimped together.
You'll find the beauty goes much deeper.
And that's it. That's me attempting to try and cut crease my Asian hooded eyes.
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah,
I hope you like this look. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.